With the new XJ, we went out of our way to make sure that we attacked the weight of the vehicle. And at the end of the day, the only conclusion we could draw was that we needed to go to a lighter material. Aluminium was the answer.
The use of aluminum is not new to Jaguar when it comes to building cars. In 1922, William Lyons, the founder of Jaguar, and his partner William Walmsley started using aluminum with the production of the Swallow sidecar. In 1931, the partners introduced their own line of SS cars, designed by Lyons. By 1934, Lyons was running the business on his own. In 1948, the Jaguar XK120 sports car came to market. The first 240 bodies were built of aluminum. In 1951, Jaguar entered the 24 Hours of Le Mans with 3 aluminum-bodied C-Type racing cars. One of them won, and the C-Type won again in 1953. In 1955, a new Jaguar Le Mans entry was designed, designated the D-Type. It was an all-aluminum monocoque for greater strength, rigidity, and lightness. Jaguar D-Types won Le Mans in 1955, 56, and 57. In 1990, Jaguar again embraced the use of aluminum in the production of the XJ220 supercar, of which fewer than 300 were produced. It was only natural for Jaguar to re-embrace the use of aluminum for its all-new XJ sedan. Over £20 million has been invested in state-of-the-art engineering technology and processes, including the new aluminum pressing and construction facility at Castle Bromwich in England. The new XJ's body features an industry-first use of rivet-bonded joining technology for the whole body structure. Over 3,400 self-pierced rivets are used in combination with aerospace-sourced epoxy adhesive to join the aluminum pressings, castings, and extrusions. The new XJ body shell, while 40% lighter, is also 60% stronger and 440 pounds lighter than the model it replaces. The design incorporates impact-absorbing assemblies between the front end and the remaining part of the body shell that can withstand an impact of 10 miles per hour without structural damage to the monocoque body. In addition, the bolt-on doors, trunk lid, hood, and front end components allow for easy removal if collision repair is necessary, thus reducing time and cost. The XJ uses a variety of different manufacturing techniques. The outer skin is pressed, yet highly stressed components, such as suspension damper turrets, are also constructed from aluminum and made by a casting process. To further enhance the outer panels, Jaguar bakes its clear coat finish to 120 degrees Celsius in order to provide resistance against minor dings and dents. Jaguar continues to plan and provide the solutions. However, the unexpected may occur. Prior to the first XJ prototype crashing into a barrier, Jaguar engineers simulated crash events using sophisticated computer crash modeling software that was followed up by physical tests. The XJ aluminum monocoque body is significantly lighter than a steel body vehicle and carries less kinetic energy into a collision, reducing the amount of energy that is absorbed by the body in an accident. Front and rear crush zones absorb crash energy progressively while protecting the integrity of the cabin. Jaguar is prepared because sooner or later, a certain percentage of XJ sedans will require collision repair. Jaguar cars, together with its dealers and dealer-nominated repair centers, are committed to providing a network to support the special collision repair needs of their customers. Through strategic partnerships with these key organizations in the areas of consulting, training, and equipment requirements, Jaguar Cars has created the Authorized Aluminum Repair Network. As part of the Jaguar Authorized Aluminum Repair Network certification process, Structural Repair Center technicians are required to attend the new XJ Structural Repair and Panel Replacement course delivered by iCar Tech Center, located in Appleton, Wisconsin. This state-of-the-art facility is equipped with Celette and Global Jig frame bench units utilizing a fixed-point measuring system and Fronius welding units, which performs the same welding method used during factory construction. The curriculum covers straightening, bonding, panel repair and replacement, cutting, welding, and riveting specific to the XJ sedan. Upon completion of training, the structural repair centers and technicians are presented with a signed certification of compliance to Jaguar standards. It is essential that all body and paint repairs be conducted by an authorized repair center, whether cosmetic or structural in nature. The Jaguar Authorized Aluminum Repair Network is the only certified source for conducting a quality collision repair for the 2004 XJ sedan, restoring it to its pre-accident condition. Repair centers and technicians are equipped with Jaguar tested and approved repair tools and equipment. Centers feature self-contained aluminum repair environments to prevent possible cross-contamination from steel particles. Structural repair centers are the only source for genuine Jaguar aluminum parts. To ensure that collision repairs for the 2004 XJ sedan are performed within the Jaguar Aluminum Repair Network, Jaguar Cars and its dealer body have prepared a comprehensive brochure which instructs their customers on repair process and procedures. Jaguar Cars, committed to providing superior aluminum repair solutions for their customers' collision repair needs.